Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to change your name servers in Bluehost. This is my Bluehost account, and to change your name servers, simply click on Domains from this left side menu. In this account, I have this single domain. If you have multiple ones, maybe you should click on your desired domain to end up on this page. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online university courses for free today. My online university, there are many online courses that can help you with your online business. This Bluehost online course, for example, will teach you how to set up your website in Bluehost, how to manage your email account and domain name, how to optimize your website performance, and other things like billing and account management. To get access to all of this for free today, simply go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Let's go back to our tutorial. Now that you're in this page, just scroll down to the bottom and click on Advanced Tools. Next to Name Servers, click on Manage, Continue. Then change your name servers to the ones you want. After that, click on Save. Usually, it requires a few hours in order for your new name servers to take effect. So be patient and don't panic if you can't access your website yet. Give this video a like and leave your comment below. Thank you.